Guy, uh, what's wrong now? Why are you looking like this?
Oh, guy, leave me. I just misplaced my money.
How much?
5,000 naira now.
5,000. Ah, no, no. And but it has happened, so you just have to let it go now.
See, I'm angry.
Okay, let me tell you a joke to cheer you up.
Well, just keep your boring jokes to yourself. Don't tell me any joke.
I know what can cheer you up, don't worry.
Hey, please, there's nothing you can do now that will cheer me up.
I'm on it now.
All right, go. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.